Hi and welcome to the Empowered Being Show. I am Seher. Thank you so much for pushing play today. And this is a timeless reading for the sign Scorpio. So if you have your sun, moon, or rising in Scorpio, this is for you. This has reached you in the most divine, beautiful way. And let's dive in. Let's see what the universe has for you. Okay. Okay. So the first thing is don't get caught up in the illusions. I feel like you are so confused. You are not able to make one decision and just like go for it. So it could be in any area of your life. Just like make that one decision. The second card is literally clarity, which is like planning and releasing illusions. Just have so much clarity that you do not get swayed away in the illusion. Oh my god. Okay, this card had the word illusion, but anyways, okay. Divine timing. And then the third card is to trust your path. If you knew you would be supported, what would you do? I feel like a lot of times we have confusion because we feel like what we really truly desire, exactly, Page of Pentacles, what we really truly desire, we feel like we won't be able to achieve it. So we sort of unconsciously lower our standards and we're like, oh, let's not even aim high because if we fall or if we fail, it would be very, very, very bad. But you won't. You really won't. Just keep going. Keep going. Have that clarity. Trust that the huge desire that you have in your mind is meant for you. It is literally meant for you. Whatever that is, like like abroad traveling or studies or just whatever it is, take action towards it. And action always does not mean like hustle. It also means like setting your intention. Like setting an intention is also an action. And work on your skills. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Seven of Cups. Take care, like, why did I say take care? Maybe take care of yourself first and know that when you are okay. So if you are dedicated to something, okay, you're devoted to something, you're committed to something, if you keep doing it over and 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 over again, it will give you results. Like it will happen. So again we have one more card of illusion. The Four of Cups. Just look at the opportunity that you have, right? Oh, then we have the Sun. Perfect. Look at the opportunity that we have right here, right now, in front of us, and just go from there. And we also have the Queen of Wands, and she's holding a sunflower. And then we have the Sun card. It's just so beautiful. It's just amazing. Okay, just be extremely focused. Don't get lost in the illusions. Keep working towards what you want and keep walking and know that the universe will always guide you and support you in the most beautiful ways. Like the sun shines for everybody, right? And the sun will shine for you also. The universe will help you also because the universe wants you to succeed. The universe wants you to be happy, and the universe loves you so much, okay? And literally, like your soul is here to help you, to guide you, and to support you. So, oh wow, look, that's why I was feeling like there's somebody traveling here. We have the shamanic journey, purpose, attunement, quest, vision. This is literally like, just a journey back to yourself, a journey to who you are, a journey. Yes, so we have the journey, we have trust your path, we have the Sun, we have the Page of Pentacles. These are all just cards which are directing towards the same thing, and that is just trust your path, have clarity, keep going, you're on the right path. And yeah, like I don't even know what doubt you have. I don't feel like you have any doubt. It's just okay, yes, okay, now I understand. Like just because you cannot see the results in front of you right here right now, that does not mean it is not happening. It is happening. The universe is working behind the scenes for you. You just have to keep walking. Even though you cannot see the you cannot see the 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 end destination, just like keep walking still, like keep walking. Or maybe you can see the end destination and you cannot see the path ahead of it, like ahead of what you have. It's okay, just keep walking anyways. Trust your path, trust that the next step that you will take will will support you and will you know it will be taken care of. And even if you're not seeing the results, that does not mean that it is not manifesting. It is manifesting. It is happening in the most divine, beautiful ways. And then we have birthing a new age, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. Obviously, if you keep walking on this path, you are birthing a new age for yourself. You are birthing a new life for yourself. You are birthing it's like a way of living and a way of being that you are experiencing. So, yes, Scorpio, I hope this helped you. I hope this served you. If you have any other Scorpio in your life, feel free to send this to them. Or I have like other zodiac signs on the podcast as well. Send them theirs. Send your best friend theirs. Be a very nice gesture. If you would like to book a private one-on-one session, just DM it to us on Instagram at empoweredbeings_. And yes, I hope to talk to you again very, very, very soon. Bye.